Hi everybody, Paul here. In this video, I want to talk about why a gas cap can cause a check engine light. So stay tuned. What happens to a lot of people every day is after filling the vehicle, the gas cap is not installed back on correctly and it causes a check engine light. A lot of gas caps will even have a warning written right on it like this one that if it's not installed correctly, it may cause a check engine light. The way to correctly install the gas cap is to make sure everything is lined up straight while pushing it into the opening and turning it clockwise until it stops. Once it stops, continue to turn it until it makes a click. Some gas caps like this one require one click, while other gas caps can require more than one click. The number of clicks required will be posted on the gas cap. If the gas cap does not click, or if the gas cap is still loose after it clicks, then it may not have been installed correctly, or it may need to be replaced. The reason a gas cap can cause a check engine light is because the gas cap is designed to seal the gas tank so that a certain amount of pressure is created inside the gas tank. This pressure is actually a vacuum pressure. Your vehicle has sensors to make sure the proper amount of vacuum pressure is maintained. If the proper amount of vacuum pressure is not maintained, the check engine light will turn on and store some type of trouble code which you can find with a diagnostic scanner. This will typically be in the P0440 series. This rubber gasket on the inside of the gas cap is what allows vacuum pressure to occur inside the gas tank. If the rubber gasket does not seal between the gas cap and the base of the filler neck, then this will cause a check engine light. Sometimes the rubber gasket can become twisted, which will not allow it to seal. If this ever happens, just push it back in place so that it's seated flat all the way around on the gas cap. The rubber gasket can also become dry, which will not allow it to seal. I found that using Teflon lubricant on the rubber gasket is an excellent way to keep it soft and pliable and make it last longer. As gas caps age, the rubber gasket can also become brittle, develop cracks or tears, or even fall off. When this happens, it's time to buy a new gas cap. And of course, always make sure to wipe the filler neck clean if it's dirty. So if you just filled your gas tank and you get a check engine light, be sure to check your gas cap. Gas cap problems will not usually cause major performance issues, but it can cause reduced gas mileage and increased emissions, preventing it from passing an emissions test. Once a gas cap problem is fixed, the check engine light will usually turn off by itself by the time you drive 100 miles. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.